guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say hi to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I'm here, I'm fun, I'm teaching you stuff. We just doing our lock thing, and we're gonna be beautiful by the time we get done with the video. Every time, each and every time, I'm delivering that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button for me. So I appreciate everybody who subscribed. Welcome back, welcome back. Anyway, today's video is super easy. It's for one of those days where you have to be somewhere and you don't feel like doing nothing to these locks, or even if you don't have locks, you don't feel like doing nothing to your hair, and you press for time, or you don't even have to be going anywhere, you just don't feel like doing your hair. It's called head scarf wrap, head wrap, whatever y'all want to call it. I just call it putting a scarf on, but in a cute way. You can use any scarf. Me, I have just been using scarves from the winter because right now it's a little bit hot, so I just put that around my head and call it a day. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to use my black scarf. It's one of them long ones. Not the Infiniti kind, but you can use the Infiniti kind. So what I'm going to do is simply pull my hair back. And this scarf has like a little fringe. What I'm going to do is fold that under like that. And I'm just going to put this on my head. Fold that up too. Right there. And you want to grab these like this, tuck it, pull it, bring it all the way up. Try and flatten your hair down so it can have a smooth look. Yeah. And twist it. And twist this. And I didn't twist it all the way to the end. I ran out. It's not even. That's simple. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. And pull that tail under. I'm gonna make it disappear. Just like that. For extra security, if you feel like it's gonna bust open on you, just put a little rubber band or scrunchie, whatever you have, put it right up under there. There. Cute. Of course we're going to dress this up. I'm not just leaving like this. Also, I want to scoot it up a little bit. Then that's simple, just pull it up. That way you can see some little edges. You can make some little baby hair. simple, that's cute, that's easy, and you can go wherever you want to go just like this. We're natural, beautiful women no matter what, even if we do wear a scarf. Secret weapon to make any outfit look cute: hoops. And also, if you have the Infiniti Scarf, I'm just going to demonstrate. It's the same thing, but I just want to show you guys how you do it. It may seem weird, but I just want to show you guys how to do it. The Infiniti Scarf is the one like this. It doesn't break. It's at the mall on those little scarf kiosks. You know what I'm talking about. You can do the same thing. What you do is, you find that line. That's where I start. You just do the same exact thing. Pull it all the way up. And with this one, I don't braid it all the way down like how I did the black one. I just twisted it real tight like how you see, just to go around and get it feeling secure on your head. But then after that, get a full one. After that, I just kind of leave it loose like this, lightly twisted. You can still use this. See? So whether you have a regular scarf or one of those Infiniti scarves, you can still use it. It's still useful. Okay, that just wraps up my video. And like I said, you can accessorize this look. Glasses, earrings, hoops, whatever. You can wear a scarf in public, ladies and gentlemen, in a cute way. So I hope this video was informative. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, and I have more for you in store. So please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. If you learned anything today, let me know in the comments below. See you next time.